What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Chase and Tail Outdoors. And today we're just gonna do a little bit of pond hopping. I got the day off, so yeah, we're just gonna be dinking around a little bit. The other day I was out here trying to complete the MTB slam. Oh. This fish is barely hooked. And it came out of nowhere and ate this jig. Ooh, she is spawning hard. I don't have my scale, but that's easily 4 pounds. And I caught one on the jig, lost one on the flick shake, and then broke off the chatterbait. So yeah, that was kind of a bummer, but right now it is actually a free fish weekend, so, but you know, it is what it is. And yeah, talk to you guys in a little while. Well, unfortunately, that first fish was a bust. But yeah, there's a ton of people out here right now. So, making things kind of difficult. We're making things work, I guess. We'll figure it out. Don't worry. We got multiple ponds to go to. Or one other pond. Hopefully multiple, but who knows. Let's get some fish. Okay, not sure if you guys can hear me, but I'm not 100% if we can fish here. But, see what happens if we get kicked out. Or whatever. I'm going to take the risk here. Who knows, maybe we will get kicked out. I was headed to a pond and I saw these on my way to said pond. And there's all these cars parked here, people at the park, people doing this, people doing that. So I mean, what is the harm of me fishing here? It's like a 2-pounder. Sitting right there. There's another fish. Let me eat it. Oh, too small. There's a bunch of them over there. The little guy's got it. Got him. Oh, he came up. There's a giant blue. Oh, there's that big fish right there. Swinging to eat. There's a fish at the bank. Oh yeah, he'll eat. Oh yeah, he's gonna eat it. Yep, picked it up. Let him eat it, let him eat it, let him eat it. Got him. Oh my God. Got him. Just gotta stay down. It's a good little fish. Here, buddy. Okay. Boom. Nice little pounder, 2-pounder. Perfect. Back in the water he goes. Bang. See, that's all we want to do. Catch him with it, fellas. Well, that was kind of a sketchy little mission. I stopped here before one time and I was just nervous about getting towed. I don't think there's any rule about fishing. I never saw any signs or anything like that. I was just kind of sketched out about getting towed. So we caught 2 fish, 1 dink. I don't think I had that on film. And then 1 maybe 2-pounder. I was just throwing a shaky head, finessing them. So yeah, we're gonna head to the next pond and hopefully catch some fish there, not get towed, and not get kicked out. So let's do it. Fish here, but I don't see any signs. So we don't want people fishing here. Maybe we should put signs out. Just do a little bit of fishing. Who knows? There's freaking smoked it. Oh shoot. Got him. Guys, I got a big one. It's like a 4-pounder, guys. What a frog. This is like a 5. Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This thing is a giant. This thing is a giant. And it destroyed the frog. Like, destroyed it. I couldn't get a weight on the fish. I didn't have my scale. It was in the car. I just decided to let it go. And the SD card on this is full right now. But that fish, easily, I'd say 5.5, 6 pounds. Easy, 5.5, 6. So we'll say that's my unofficial new PB at 5.5. But that fish was a donkey. First fish, and it came on the frog. New PB, and it destroyed the frog. This is so sick. We're gonna keep fishing. I'm not sure you're allowed to fish here, but I haven't got kicked out yet, so let's keep trucking. Still absolutely in awe after that fish, like mind blown. Because there was one fish that I'd missed earlier, like probably 4 or 5 casts prior to that, and then I cast in the middle. In the middle! Like, look at this. Dead in the middle of that. Oops. And it smoked the frog. So I'm kind of curious. Well, there's caution tape around these edges right here. See, caution tape all the way around. So I'm not exactly sure what that's for. And I'm still not exactly sure if you can fish here. It's a public library. Like, it was just one of the ponds I was driving past, and I was like, gotta stop there. Just like the last one, caught a 2-pounder out of it. This one, stopped here, caught a 6 or 5 or whatever. It was over 5, 100%, 110% over 5. So that was super sick. I'm not sure what I got on footage on the GoPro because I was pretty in awe. I was gonna try to run up and get the scale because my car was like, I don't know, 20 yards from where I was. But everybody was looking at me like I was a madman, so I was like, all right, let's get this fish back nice and healthy. So that's what we did. There's a bass right there. Second top water fish of the year. Yo, it's a giant. Heck yeah. Boom sauce. Alright, so we're back out here. I went and tied on Texas rig. Not sure if you guys can see that, but you guys know what Texas rig is. Tied that on only because some of the bigger fish weren't eating the frog. The only thing I was really catching on the frog were the little guys. Oh man, I'm swelling. That's where the mama bird was at one time. Yeah, the big guys just weren't eating the frog. So, well, except for that 6-pounder. 6-pounder destroyed the frog. There's another fish right here that's pretty good. So I'm gonna go to the GoPro and try to stick him. Okay, so there was a fish, pretty decent fish that was swimming up and down the shoreline. So, oh, there it is. First cast. Got him. First cast. First freaking cast, fellas. We're gonna have to boat. Holy cow. This fish is pulling hard. We're gonna try to boat flip her. We have no other choice. So, and almost had it. Grab the line. Well, Fish was a little bit bigger than I thought. Another probably 5-pounder. This fish is super heavy, easy 5 pounds. So we've caught a 5.5, and I'd say a 5, easy 5. So let's get this fish back in the water. There she goes, biggin'. That was so sick. So a 5.5 and a 5, and a little guys on the frog. This is a pretty good day. All right, so yeah, it is many days later after I filmed this video. I apologize, I always forget to film an outro and it sucks because I'm dumb sometimes, but it happens. Please forgive me. But thank you guys for checking it out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next episode of Chasing Tail Outdoors. Peace.